Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you love science and want to impress your friends with some mind-blowing experiments, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you 3 fun and easy experiments you can do right at home, with things you probably already have, so let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed by how simple household items can turn into awesome science experiments. So grab your materials and let's dive in. To see how molecules in milk and soap interact. If you're having fun with these experiments, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends so they can try it too. And there you have it, 3 fun and easy science experiments you can do at home. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and if you tried these out, I'd love to hear how they turned out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cool experiments and fun science videos. See you next time for more mind-blowing content. Until then, stay curious.